Here we go.
Success can be sweet. As Debbie Fields knows, she's the founder of Mrs. Fields Cookies.
Here I am, 20 years old, and I have this dream. Actually, what I have is a recipe. And of course, this dream that inspires me. And I think that I can go into the cookie business. So I went home to my family, I presented my idea, and they were so enthusiastic. They said, now Debbie, that is absolutely a stupid idea. They said, Debbie, first of all, you have no business experience. Well, that I knew, but I was a consumer. Additionally, they said, you don't have a college degree. I knew that too. I was in my second year of college. And the third factor, and maybe the most important factor, was you have no money. This rejection stuff, I'm allergic to. Giving up is the easiest thing that any of us can do, anytime, anywhere, and I was determined not to give up. And so I said, you know what? No is an unacceptable answer. Armed with a dream, armed with a recipe, I'm going to make something of myself.
Debbie got her loan and opened her first cookie store.
When nobody came to the store, and I knew that I was seriously failing big time, it was, the best way I can describe it, it's like being hit by a 2x4. Most people are so frightened by failure that they freeze. And I say celebrate failure.
In fact, that is a key point in Vonda White's book, Success Against the Odds. Failure is actually a stepping stone to bigger and better things.
I left my store and I was a woman with a mission. And I walked up and down the streets of downtown Palo Alto. And I stopped people and I said, I want you to try these cookies. Just try. And some people did, and they followed me back to my store.
Debbie's company eventually grew to over 700 stores in 13 countries.
When I sold it in 1996, it was a $400 million company. Success against the odds. Yes, that's my story. But more importantly, just remember one thing. Be the best you can be, never give up, and remember that impossible really means I'm possible.
Vonda White's Success Against the Odds book and Success Planner helps people achieve success faster with laser-like focus, just as Debbie did.
Do it with passion, do it with commitment, and most importantly, try to bring something into this world, whether it's a product or a service, that you absolutely know is distinctly better than anything that's out there. Vonda, the best advice I ever received was from my dad. And he said, true wealth is found in family and friends and absolutely passionately loving what you do. And he loved what he did. And he inspired me to find something I loved. Yep, there we go. And voila, we're ready to drop.
When you talk about passion, it shows up in your eyes. That passion really is important to you. Why is that?
I guess passion is probably what gets me up in the morning. To me, people always say I'm so excited, but that's because I'm so high on life. I mean, every time I breathe, I'm thinking this is an opportunity to live the life of your dreams. And we have the power to take our breath and activate what's ever inside us to make our dreams come true.
With the help of the Success Planner and pursuing your dreams, like Debbie did.
I experienced it, the American dream. It's out there for all of us.
Debbie's recipe for success, as described in Success Against the Odds.
Oh, no. You have to have passion. You have to have perfection. You have to have perseverance. Those are really 3 critical ingredients to going anywhere in life. And when you find what you love and you do what you love, you're the richest person in the whole wide world.